I already showed that with Cometh you can debug marks that you create with Marks Factory right in Marks Factory while running them. Now, because Marks Factory is deployed on IPFS, you can debug any IPFS-deployed application, and I have loaded here the latest Uniswap version by IPFS hash. The debugger starts with the Debug Once option, so it will intercept the first call or transaction and pass it through the debugger. The debugger retrieves the chain state from the chain that you are on based on the transaction data. So contract bytecode, address balances, and storage slots are all retrieved from the chain, and then it shows you all the opcodes and intermediary, stack memory, and storage changes. Now we can tell it to debug all calls and transactions, or none, or just state-changing transactions. So let's make a swap of ETH and wrapped ETH. Click on wrap and we wait for the opcodes. So we can see all the EVM instructions for this action. This is the most advanced debugger for EVM, with the ability to debug and analyze the final product for your specific transaction in your browser. Are you a volunteer working for decentralized technologies and want early access to Cometh and our cutting-edge Marks Factory tools? Check out the video description for details.